Let's dive into the Adriatic Sea, a fascinating stretch of water that shapes the geography and culture of its surrounding lands. Over the next few slides, we'll explore its unique features, its role in history, and why it continues to captivate people today. Let's start by placing the Adriatic Sea on the map. It's nestled in Europe, acting as a natural border between the Italian Peninsula and the Balkan Peninsula. This sea isn't just a body of water, it's a key part of the region's geography, culture, and history. Understanding where it sits helps us appreciate its role in connecting different countries and peoples. So, when we talk about the Adriatic Sea, we're really talking about a crossroads in Europe. Let's take a moment to turn to your partner and share what you already know about these countries. We're focusing on the Adriatic Sea, a key part of the Mediterranean, sitting right between the Italian Peninsula and the Balkans. 6 countries touch its coastline: Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Albania, Montenegro, and Bosnia and Herzegovina. This sea connects them all, shaping their histories and cultures in powerful ways. Let's take a moment to think about the world's seas. How many can you name off the top of your head? Now, focusing in on the Adriatic Sea, it stretches about 805 kilometers long. At its widest, it spans 160 kilometers across. And down deep, it reaches a depth of 1,324 meters. These numbers help us appreciate the scale and significance of this particular sea. It's more than just a body of water. It's a vital part of the region's geography. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a basin? It's a dip or depression in the Earth's surface, shaped like a bowl, with higher sides surrounding a lower bottom. When we look at the Adriatic Sea, its waters are split into 3 main basins: the northern, middle, and southern. One key point to remember: the southern basin is significantly deeper than the northern basin. This difference shapes many of the sea's features and behaviors. Let's explore the contrast between the Italian and Croatian coastlines along the Adriatic Sea. Italy's coast here has no islands at all, while Croatia boasts around 1,300 islands of all shapes and sizes. The shape of the seafloor mirrors the coastline. Where the land is steep and rugged, like in Slovenia and Croatia, the sea drops off deep and uneven. But where the coast is flat and sandy, like near Venice, the water stays shallow. This connection shapes both the land and the sea around it. Let's take a closer look at the Brijuni Marine Park. It's a vital sanctuary, protecting vast meadows of seagrass. These underwater fields are more than just plants. They're nurseries, food sources, and shelter for countless species. Think wrasse, loggerhead sea turtles, and a variety of invertebrates. Scientists estimate around 7,000 species call the Adriatic Sea home. To safeguard this incredible biodiversity, countries around the Adriatic have established marine parks, creating safe havens for both plant and animal life. The Adriatic Sea is home to some incredible marine life, from sperm whales and fin whales to basking sharks and manta rays. The eastern coast, being less polluted, supports rare and threatened species. Here, you'll find the common bottlenose dolphin, the critically endangered Mediterranean monk seal, and the loggerhead sea turtle, all thriving in this unique environment. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.